Welcome, Inntopia. We are Team Microslash, and this is our hack. Before we get started, let's meet the team.
Jay Johnson.
Hi, Todd Microslash Beckham.
And I'm Chris Natras.
What problem are we trying to solve? First, there's the challenge of multiple teams working on a singular web application. Second, the dependence upon specific technology. And third, client-side technologies change so rapidly, there's an increase in the need to refactor.
How did we solve these problems? We solved the problems using Angular Elements, which is a feature of Angular 6, Azure Blob Storage, and we defined smaller components that could be combined to make up a web page.
Now, let's go see our hack in action. In the first example, we're looking at a very old ASP.NET Web Forms application. Now, let's look at the same application with an Angular Elements component. Now, let's take our component and use it within Insight and Angular.js. Now, let's see how we add a component to HTML. First, we add a script reference to our component in Azure. Then, we add the custom HTML element. And then finally, we add some CSS references. Now, we can view our component in an empty HTML document.
Challenges we encountered in this project involve cross-component communication is challenging and it needs to be well thought out. Styling can be difficult when a single component is used in multiple applications. Angular Elements are a new technology and it's not fully fleshed out at this time, and setup for an Angular element is more difficult than setup for the average Angular feature.
So what did we learn? Well, Angular Elements changes the way that we think about building websites. It encourages us to build smaller components that are reusable across applications. Also, the patterns that we saw here are actually quite familiar. We've seen them before with microservices, and now we're seeing them with micro front ends. Also, this helps us be more technology independent with what we use in a website. So for example, we could build one component with Vue.js and another component with Angular. And these components can then play well together. And that, Inntopia, is the Team Microslash hack. Thanks for watching.